Dave Staublin here. I'm talking to you mathletes out there about horizontal asymptotes and limits. Let's draw a picture here and let's make a function that looks like this and looks like that. Okay. Now just looking at this, we can see there's a horizontal asymptote here at y equals 0. Here's how limits work. What we're interested in is, I'm going to write, what happens to the y value as x goes towards infinity? Well, when you're right in here at a small x, the y value is pretty high. And as you move this x value out towards positive infinity, what happens to the y value? It gets smaller and smaller and smaller and closer to 0. And it gets closer and closer to 0 from the positive side. So that's how a limit works over there. Let's talk about this side over here. We are interested in the y value as x moves towards negative infinity. Well, let's just start here. When we're in this range, the y value is pretty far negative, and then as we move out this way towards negative infinity, the y value gets smaller and smaller and smaller, and it approaches 0, and it approaches it from the bottom side or the negative side. So that's kind of how we do limits.